turn any article into an image using ChatGPT. Here we have a PubMed study on blue zones. We're going to copy this link, and you could do this with any study. And we're going to ask ChatGPT to summarize the article in grade 5 comprehension level. Here, ChatGPT highlights the important parts of this article. And now it's much easier to understand. Pick the part that you'd like to convert into a visual format. So in this case, I'm going to ask ChatGPT to convert these Power 9 common habits, and I'd also like to understand which of these countries are actually part of the blue zones. My next prompt will ask ChatGPT to create a visual infographic to include the Power 9 and a map of the blue zone countries. And here it is. It created a visual representation of the blue zone countries and their 9 power habits, and it also mapped out the blue zone. If you like what you saw, check out my other video where I show 20 different types of visuals that ChatGPT can create. I will leave a link in the description as well as in the top right corner of this video. Thank you for watching. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more.